Here's a unique roasting preparation for shiitake mushrooms that might be just as good as crispy bacon bits. Let me show you how I do it. I have 8 ounces of shiitake mushrooms, which tend to be a flatter, more meaty tasting mushroom than a cremini or button mushroom. I also am using some smoked paprika and some liquid smoke, which is surprisingly vegan, along with salt, pepper, and a little bit of olive oil. All right, let's put it all together. Cremini mushrooms are one of my favorite new items in the produce section, and I have to admit, I had never really bought them before until recently, but I've quickly fallen in love with them. The stems are a little bit woody, so I'm just gonna take a scissor and cut the stem off, and then we'll slice them into long strips. All right, now that we've removed all of those stalks, we're just gonna give them a nice little slice through, sort of reminiscent to a bacon lardon in light strips here. We also have the oven preheating to 400 degrees, and these don't take very long. Okay, for this amount of mushrooms, we're gonna start out by giving them a little drizzle of olive oil, about a tablespoon, half a teaspoon of salt, a few cracks of pepper. And then to give it really that smokiness, which is a little bit more reminiscent of a bacon bit, we're gonna do about a half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and then about a teaspoon of our liquid smoke. And then with clean hands, we're just gonna give that a toss. They bake in about 20 minutes, but I start looking at them at 15 to make sure that they don't start to blacken. All right, that looks great. Get them onto a sheet pan, all in one even layer. Our shiitakes are out of the oven, and you can see they definitely shrunk up a bit, but they also took on a nice golden color. The larger pieces still have a nice chew to them, while the smaller pieces are gonna be a little bit crunchy. They have that smoky flavor. I can smell it. They're gonna be just delicious on something like an omelette, a thick soup, or my favorite, a wedge salad. I have a little thick blue cheese dressing for over top of my iceberg lettuce here. And now a few of our shiitake mushrooms. Oh, just looks delicious. Maybe a little crack of pepper. Looks so good. I hope you try making these smoky shiitake mushrooms at home, and I hope you enjoy.